Okay, welcome to another tutorial. Now this one is aimed at people that can play quite well, but maybe they're more classically orientated than jazz orientated. So what I'm going to do is start with, I get a metronome, and the important thing is that you think of the metronome as being the offbeat. So this is just it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and we play a fairly simple lick in the left hand. If you're not familiar with that, it's just a C, E, G, A, C, A, G, E. And you've got to be prepared to play that over and over again. And what we're going to do now, we're going to play pentatonic phrases, that's all. Now, this is presumably you know a pentatonic scale, but just in case you don't, it's C, D, E, or if you play it on the black notes, it's very easy because it's all the black notes, but in the meantime we'll play it on C. So the aim is to make it as jazzy as possible. Now this is quite difficult because it's not a particularly jazzy scale. You can play a few chordal harmonies. So the aim is to be as interesting as possible. We're just being very strict with ourselves. In fact, let's go back a step. Let's just take 3 notes, just the E, the G and the A. And when I ask people to do this, a lot of them find it very difficult. They start sticking other notes in, they can't help it. Go back to the pentatonic. And try and get a bit of swing into it. Now it starts sounding quite cheesy, but that's not bad at this stage. And sing your phrases as you play them. Now what we're going to do now is just add one more note, and that's the E flat. And it's amazing what a difference this makes. So you're still keeping that left hand going relentlessly, driving you mad. So so all I'm playing there is the pentatonic scale, same notes as in the left hand, and the E flat, the blues note. You're getting on with that. Okay, I'll play a phrase, then you play, okay? So okay, off you go. Now don't try and copy me, but try and get the same kind of feel of the thing that I'm doing. Now we add another note, an E, B flat. absolutely to those notes. Now now go back to 3 notes, but this time the E flat, the B flat, the 2 blues notes, and still the C. Now, even though this is absolutely basic stuff in terms of the way, not necessarily that basic, but it's basic in the way that people improvise. Harmonically, it's basic. So, even with this, let's stick to those 3 notes and see how much we can do with using dynamics. Oh, sorry, I'm out of order there. Put another note in. Go back. Sorry, scrub that. Now go back to the whole thing. There's a limit to the amount you can play that phrase without driving yourself mad, but I hope that was useful.